Hi friends, welcome to our channel Market Talks. So today in this video we are going to do the fundamental analysis of the one of the value stock. So today is the date of July 11, 2020. So this is the analysis based on my knowledge. Please do your own analysis before investing in the stock. So the stock which I feel as one of the value stock is Mahanagar Gas Limited. So if you see the current price, like July 10th, the closing price of this Mahanagar Gas Limited, the stock price is 969 rupees. So I think it last Friday when the stock trader, this stock has fall almost like 4 to 5%. So the stock closed below the 200-day moving average on the July 10th. So I feel like stock will go down in next 2 to 3 days. So if the stock start falling and if it is available in the less price, so around 950 or less than 900 or around 900 range, so that is a good price to buy this stock. So this stock, if you see the 52-week range of the stock, the high 52-week high of the stock is 1240 rupees and the low is around 663 rupees. And if we see the book value of this company, it is around 300. So if you see the price to book value, it is 3.24. And one more thing which we may feel like this stock is worth of value investment is this stock P is 12.07 when compared to the industry P of 15.15. This stock has a potential of growing up in the stock price has a good potential of going up in future. And now let's see the profit and loss, like sales and profit of this company. We'll compare with the financial year ending 2017 and the financial year ending 2020. So when we see the sales of this company in the March financial year, March 2017 financial year, their sales is 2000 crore, and now in the financial year ending March 2020, if we see the sales is 3300 crores. When we see the compounding of the sales, it has grown in the phase of 18.24 from 2017 to 2020. So that is a good sales growth. And if we see the profit and also if we see the profit of this company in the 2017, that financial year 2016 to 17, they have 393 crore profit, and now in 2019 to 2020 they have profit of 791.95 crore. So from 2017 to 2020 their profit has compounded 26.3%. So that is a good profit rate growth. And this company, they have their gas pipe like connection within Mumbai, and this company is having expanding within the Mumbai in coming future. And also this company is planning to expand their network outside of the Mumbai also. So this company is having good expansion plan in the future. So I feel like there will not be any decrease in their sales growth. So their sales growth will be keep on increasing, and so the profit and so the book value and the stock price, everything will be keep on increasing. And now we'll see the balance sheet. If you see the balance sheet, the company don't have much borrowings, they don't have borrowings. And when we see the reserves, cash reserves of the company in 2017, this is around 1700 crores, and it has increased to 2800 crores in 2020. And also if we see the asset of this companies keep on growing. In 2017 2600 crores, now it has grown to 4100 crores. So their reserves is increasing, they don't have much borrowings. So this makes this stock balance sheet of this stocks looks good. And when we also when we see the shareholding pattern of this company, the promoters have their shareholding as 65% during 2017, but now their promoter shareholding is 32%. But the one plus point, even if the promoter holding is less, the foreign institutional investor, they have shareholding of 9%, almost near 10% during 2017, but now they have increased their stake in this stock, and now they are holding almost 32% in this stock. So the foreign institutional investors are investing, even though if the promoter's shareholding decreases, the foreign institutional investor, their investment is increasing, so that this makes the stocks look good. And now let's discuss the latest result of this company, like January, February, March quarter result of 2020. So when we compare the March quarter of 2019 with 2020, their sales have decreased a little bit, but if we see the profit, it has increased to 167 crores from 132 crores. So the earnings of the share in the March quarter of 2020 is 16.87 when compared to the March quarter 2019 13.51. And also year on year basis, compared to the 2018 to 2019, their sales is 3100 crores, and 2019 to 2020 March, their sales growth is 3363 crores, and net profit has increased from 547 crore to 791 crores, and the earnings of the share has increased from 55 to 80 in from the 2019 to 2020. So there is a very good increase in the earning per share. And also this company has recommended a final dividend of 10.50, and also they have declared a special dividend of 15 rupees. So overall they have declared a dividend of 25.5 rupees, and also they already have declared few dividends. So from the overall year of 2019 to 2020, this company has provided a dividend of 35 rupees. So assuming the stock current price is around 1000 rupees, this 35 rupees is 3.5%. So that is a good dividend rate. Now we'll see why I feel like this is one of the value investment stock. So the stock has a stock P is 12 rupees when compared to the industrial P of 15, and it's a debt free company, and we have seen already the stock is providing a good dividend, almost around 3.5%. And also when we see the return on equity of this company for the last 3 years, it is almost like it is 24%. So that is a good return on equity. So all these things I feel this is one of the value investment stock. So please do your own analysis before investing in this stock. If you like this video, kindly press the like button, share this video with your friends if you feel this is informative, and also subscribe to my channel. In our channel we already have discussed about few multi-bagger stocks. If you haven't watched those videos, kindly watch those videos. Link has been mentioned in the description. Thank you everyone.